5 of the most compelling benefits of virtual desktop infrastructure include increased scalability. You don't have to invest a lot of money in computer hardware. Centralized management. You have the ability to manage many computing systems from one centralized location. Security. VDI streamlines the process of protecting computers from cyber threats. You can install the latest antivirus protection or firewall on all machines at once, giving every user equally strong endpoint security. Accessibility. It's easy for users to connect to a VDI and get to work, regardless of where they're physically located. Cost savings. With VDI, each of your employees' computing environments exists within a software-based environment, so there's no need to invest in computer hardware. Fortinet's FortiClient, FortiWeb, and FortiADC streamline the process of protecting endpoints that connect to your VDI. Installing FortiClient on each endpoint, such as a mobile device or laptop, safeguards it from malware and allows visibility into how each endpoint is behaving. XenTegra drives digital innovation initiatives through our Fortinet partnership, community, and globally available technical team. Contact XenTegra to learn more.